In this video, we're going to show you how to send a voice message in Messenger. Voice messages are a great way to add a personal touch to your conversations. So, let's get started with the steps. Step 1. If you haven't already downloaded the Messenger app, head over to the Play Store and search for Facebook Messenger. Look for the chat bubble with a sideways lightning bolt and its gradient purple and blue color scheme. Tap on Install and wait for it to finish downloading and installing. Step 2. Once you've signed into your account, tap on a chat where you want to send a message. Step 3. To record a voice message, tap on the microphone icon located to the left of where you write your message. If prompted, grant Messenger the requested permissions to access your microphone. Step 4. Tap and hold on the record button to start recording. You'll see a timer counting up, indicating the length of your recording. Step 5. Let go of the button once you're done recording. The Messenger app will automatically send the voice message to your chat. That's it. You've successfully sent a voice message in Messenger. It's really that simple. Sending a voice message in Messenger can be a great way to add a personal touch to your conversations. Whether you want to express your emotions or just want to save time typing a long message, voice messages are a convenient and fun way to communicate. You can also send voice messages in group chats, making it easier to keep everyone in the loop without having to type out lengthy messages. In conclusion, sending a voice message in Messenger is easy and can be a great way to add some personality to your conversations. We hope you found this guide helpful, and if you have any questions or comments, please leave them in the comment section below. Don't forget to like and subscribe to our channel for more helpful tips and tutorials. Thanks for watching.